Light and theory in 3D environments. Light and theory play crucial roles in creating realistic and immersive 3D environments, such as environments light sources emit rays that interact with surface, affecting their appearance based on properties like reflection, refraction, absorption, and scattering. Color theory is essential for determining how surface reflect absorb different wavelength of lights, resulting in various colors. Shading models are fundamentals for achieving realistic textures and shadow in 3D environments. Here are few key for shading models. Number 1. Lambertian shading, also known as diffuse shading, simulates matte surface that reflect light equally in all of direction, providing a basic level. Number 2. Pong shading. This model enhances Lambertian shading by adding specular highlights, making the reflection of light source of shine surface. It creates more defined highlights and adds sense of material shininess. Number 3. Bin Pong shading. Similar to Pong shading but uses different approach to calculate the specular reflection, resulting in faster computation and smoother highlights. Number 4. Cook-Torrance shading. This model is based on microphase theory, which simulates surface with microscopic bumps. It provides more accurate representation of materials like metals by considering surface roughness and Fresnel effects. Number 5. Shadow mapping. Shadow mapping it's a technique used to simulate shadow cast object in a scene. Number 6. Ray tracing. Unlike rasterization based on shading, ray tracing simulates the path of light rays in the scene, accurately calculating reflection, refraction, and shadow, resulting in highly realistic lighting and shadows. Techniques in 3D environments are essential for creating atmosphere, highlight subject, and conveying mode. Here are some common techniques. Point lights. These are omnidirectional light sources that emit light equally in all directions. They are often used to simulate light bulbs, lamps, or other small sources. Directional light. Directional light simulate distant light sources such as the sun. They emit parallel light rays in a specific direction and are typically used to create realistic outdoor lighting conditions. Spotlight. Spotlight. Number 4. Ambient lighting. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination to a scene without coming from a specific light sources. It helps to fill in shadow and provide a base level of lighting. Number 5. Global illumination, or as known as GL. GL simulates indirect lighting by considering how light bounces off surface and affects nearby objects. Techniques like radiationicity and photon mapping are used to achieve realistic lighting effects. Number 6. Image-based lighting, or as known IBL. IBL high dynamic range HDR mode image to provide lighting information for a scene by using a panoramic image of a real-world environment. Number 7. HDR lighting. HDR lighting captures a wide range of light intensities, allowing for more realistic rendering of bright highlights and dark shadows. Number 8. Volumetric lighting. This technique simulates the interaction of light with particles in the atmosphere, such as fog, smoke, dust, to create atmospheric effects like God rays or shaft of lights. By using these light techniques effectively, developers artists can create visual, stunning, and immersive 3D environments that enhance the overall overall experience of the viewer.